So today on Just Try It DIY, we're going to build some end tables out of some old pallets or new pallets, whatever you can find. I picked these up at a local place that was just looking to get rid of a bunch of them. Show you how to cut them up, and we'll put together a nice end table. Here are the tools we used on this project. Let's go get started. In this next step, I went ahead and picked out 4 legs to use the Kreg jig on and marked them evenly. Using a square here makes this easy to transfer the lines over to the next board. I used the Kreg jig HD to drill all these pocket holes. And I used my trusty 18-volt brushless Ryobi drill to get it done. These pressure clamps come in really handy when you need an extra pair of hands to hold the boards together. As I went through and picked out these boards, I tried to make sure that the stamps were facing on the outside just to give the tables a little bit more character. As you connect the legs together, make sure that the joints are set up so you get a staggered joint in each corner. All right, so now we get to play with the fire. This next board is for the width of the end table. And then again, use the drill bit from the Kreg jig to drill some pilot holes. And then place those pieces in between the legs to set up the width for the end table. Then place your pieces on top, making sure that the overhang is all even. And don't forget to sand the tops to make it nice and smooth. Here's where the Ryobi finish nail gun comes in quick and easy to nail these into place. And we get to play with the fire one more time. You don't want to forget the edges. For a bottom shelf, all you need to do is cut for length, fire them, and then tack them in place. Cleanup is made easy with the Ryobi Devour. We used a Varathane polyurethane, the water-based, that it was a crystal clear gloss, and put about 4 coats on these. Well, that's the end of this episode. I think our pallet end tables turned out really nice. We're very pleased with the results, and I hope this has encouraged you to try something on your own too. Maybe something with some pallets or something else. Until next time, see you later. Oh, and don't forget, hit subscribe. Give me a thumbs up.